Welcome to Walsall Classical Sports Car. Today we're pleased to offer to you this 1999 BMW Z3M Roadster. Car we've previously sold and prepared for the previous owner, finished in Estoril Blue with blue and black leather upholstery. 59,000 miles from new with extensive service history, all the books, spare keys etc. with the car. Fairly recently fitted with some new Continental tyres all round. The car is in beautiful condition, as you will see. It's also got a blue electrically operated soft top. I'll show you around the car in general, and then we'll do some close-ups to show you just how nice a condition this car is. Gleams in the sun. Great car this, fitted with the Z3M engine, straight six, same engine as in the M3 of the same era. As we go into the car, just show you just how nice the paintwork is. There's virtually no stone chips at all, no damage to the bumpers. Very nicely detailed. These 5-spoke wheels are all in great condition, sort of a satin chrome finish. Brakes nicely detailed. You should look down the car. Again, no dents, no scratches. Down the driver's side, same story. Just one small stone chip just in the centre of the screen there. May just repair it out of the line for the MOT requirements, but it's just there. Beautiful paintwork, beautiful interior, I'll come to in a moment. The quad pipes there, real signature M car exhaust. In the boot we've got a car cover there. We've also got the original pump, tyre weld, and under this cover we've got the original toolkit and locking wheel bolt there. First aid kit unopened. Looking around the detail of the car, around the door shuts and surrounds there, we've got the original matte paintwork. BMW saved a little bit of money by not lacquering these areas. Again, no damage, no scratches to the rear there. Pop the soft top up for you in a few moments. We will show you inside the car. Okay, we've got this two-tone blue and black leather, soft leather, Dakota leather. Best combination by far, I'm sure you'll agree. Slightest wear just on the driver's bolster on the entry point there. It's not lost any shape, but the slightest wear, it would colour up, I'm sure. The base is as new. On the passenger side is as new. Blue and black dashboard. You'll notice the mileage there, 59,871. The engine's running. We'll take you down the road in it in a while. Okay, this car benefits from JVC Ed unit and some extra rear speakers in the back there. And also a big benefit on the car, we've got heated front seats and electrically operated soft top and air conditioning there. All the gauges work in there, o'clock oil temperature and the outside temperature gauge. Car's also got cruise control. Door cards and everything's all in lovely condition. Getting around the doors there, no corrosion anywhere on the car. Overmats fitted, and underneath the overmats we've got perfect original carpets. So there we are. We'll finish this video now and I'll just pull the soft top up, show you around that, and we'll show you under the bonnets as well. Thanks for looking so far. The Z3M, we've now popped the soft top up and popped the bonnet so you can have a look. So now we've got the blue soft top fitted, which is in super condition with no rips or tears. The rear window, the perspex, there's no rips also. It is a little bit milky, but you can still see through it ever so clearly. Fits nicely. Onto the bonnet. Again, very clean, this car. Engine's running. Colour on the inner wings there, Estoril Blue. Build date January 1999. Runs as sweet as a nut. It has got an E-Tech aluminium strut brace there, which could be removed if so desired. So there we are, still as nice as when we started the video. We'll now take you down the road just to see how it drives. Okay, we'll just take you up the road in this beautiful little Z3M Roadster. Goes through the gears all the way nicely, no problems with the indents or anything like that. Very rapid little car. Steering's dead straight ahead. It's on these fairly recent Continental tyres, which obviously improve things. There's no vibrations. As we brake, again, no vibrations. Car dead straight ahead. Drives as good as it looks. Not much you can't dislike about these cars. They're absolutely superb. Arguably the best colour combination, this superb two-tone blue, which complements the Estoril Blue exterior rather well. Can't believe it's sort of over 20 years old, over 59,000 miles, fabulous history. So 80 seats, front seats obviously, so electric operated roof, and also we've got benefit on this one of air conditioning. So an upgraded JVC stereo with some upgraded speakers behind us. Entering the Lincolnshire walls, through little bends just to show you how nice the car handles, obviously within the legal speed limit. little Z3M Roadsters. It's ready to use, ready to enjoy, needs no spend on it. This could be the car for you. So give us a call on 01507 606 725 or visit the website rollsideclassics.co.uk. Thanks again.